So, Wolf, HPE reporting EPS here of 49 cents versus expectations of 46 cents. Revenue they missed, $7.2 billion. Street was at $7.4 billion. As for the guidance, Q1 they're guiding for between 42 and 46 cents. That's actually a bit better than consensus. And for the year, they're guiding for between $1.78 and $1.94. The midpoint is slightly above the street there. I did have the chance to catch up with HPE CEO Antonio Neri just about the quarter. He pointed out, listen, revenue stable for 3 quarters. Growth in key strategic areas. He did point out, though, there is macroeconomic uncertainty that continues, he says, that does impact sales cycles. Customers have taken a pause. In part, he would pin that on these continued U.S.-China trade tensions. Emphasize that he, though, feels good about Q1 based on his pipeline. As for those trade tensions, I asked Neri whether, in terms of tariff impact, has he been hit by those levies, either ones that have been imposed or could be coming? He says he's mitigated the tariff impact by adjusting his supply chain and price changes. For those levies that could be possibly coming, he says, we'll see, though he does have mitigation strategies in place for that as well. Finally, Antonio Neri is obviously an HP veteran, so I did want to get his sense here. HP, of course, reiterated its rejection of that Xerox bid. I asked him, does a merger make sense? He said he had no real insight into those discussions. HPE is not involved there, he said, though HPE, his company, continues, he says, to have a very strong relationship with HP. Any proposed deal, he said, should make sense for shareholders, internal synergies, and joint customers. He pointed out to me that he says common sense will prevail there. Guys, back to you.